Ninja Monthly member Corey writes in, on MCQ question, this is FAR, 1417, it states that service cost is a component of compensation expense, not net periodic cost. Isn't the S in Prius for service cost? Doesn't Prius represent net periodic pension cost? Okay, so this is confusing, and I am partially to blame here. So on the Ninja Notes, I have the net periodic pension cost and the acronym Prius. Now, part of Prius is the service cost, but part of the new rules is that service cost is now has to be lumped in with compensation costs because they want it to be included with your operating income, because previously companies could just stick it wherever they wanted to on the income statement and not have to disclose where the components went, and so they could use it to pad their operating results, and they can't do that anymore. So while service cost is a part of your pension cost, really what the question is, it comes down to how do you disclose it on the income statement and the service cost. So the service cost is as your current employees work, then the current amount of their salary that will be later included in your pension cost, that is your service cost. And so you have to include it with other compensation types of expenditures on the income statement. And so with your pension expense, so on a FAR question about pensions, if you see service cost and then all of the other line items that have to do with pensions, just remember that if they ask you about net periodic benefit cost, then what they are testing you to see is, does this candidate know to remove service cost from pension cost? Because it's a new rule. So exclude service cost from the net periodic benefit cost on a CPA exam question, because it's actually part of compensation expense, which is part of operating income.